This is a mini little whiteboard that is perfect for a lot of reasons. For one, it's a magnetic whiteboard if you want to draw and stuff. You got some cool colored magnets to hold any notes up and a little eraser. Now the other thing is on the other side you have a little bit of a whiteboard on this side, and then you have corkboard. So if you wanted to do something where you're pinning up a message, you can easily just put it in the cork like that. It's got a good build to it. Nice rounded corners here as well. It just looks really nice, and it comes with the marker that you can use with an eraser on that one as well. So if you were just like be back in 15, my handwriting is terrible, but we'll go with that for now. But yeah, it looks cool, works great. You can get any dry erase markers if you want to add some color to it, and then you can use the eraser to get rid of it. So it looks great. It would look awesome on your wall. Not too big, it's not too small, it's just perfect. So it would work anywhere. I love it. I think it's great. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.